Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be sharing with you one of the secrets of my hair growth. I'm going to be showing you how I make my magic hair growth oil. This oil really helps me to grow my hair long, full and then healthy. Without wasting time, let's jump straight into the video. Okay, the mixture on my right hand side contain 2 tablespoons of olive oil with 1 tablespoon of shea powder. It has infused for 48 hours. It depends, you might leave it for 24 hours or overnight, but I left mine for 48 hours. So the second mixture on my left hand side contains 2 tablespoons of olive oil and then 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder. It has also infused for 48 hours. Like I said, you can leave it for 24 or overnight. Okay, I'm going to sieve it off camera and then mix the two oils together. Then I'll be right back. So this is it after I've sieved it. So I'll be adding the rest of the oils with it. The first oil I have here is coconut oil. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of that to it. Then 1 tablespoon of pure almond oil. Also 1 tablespoon of pure mustard oil. Then I also have 1 tablespoon of castor oil. So after that, I'll be adding half teaspoon of peppermint oil, and then I'll be rounding it up with 1/2 teaspoon of lavender oil. So then I mix together. The magic oil for long or healthy full hair is now ready. So mix it up very well, and I'll be right back to show you how I apply it on my hair. Apply a moisturizer on your hair. Could be water. Here I'm using aloe juice on my hair. So after I saturate my hair with the aloe, then I'll apply the oil into my hair. So basically that's it. You moisturize your hair, you damp your hair, and then you apply the hair. Don't apply the oil on a dry hair. Make sure your hair is damp, moisturized, and then you are good to apply the oil on your hair. I'm telling you, this hair work wonders. This oil rather work wonders. If you apply this oil on your hair consistently, you are going to see a tremendous change on your hair. Yes, so try it out and let me know this comment section how your hair feels after using this oil. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for all the likes. Thank you for all the comments. Thank you for everything. So if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and then don't forget to hit the post notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to see it. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, have you seen these videos? Click on your left hand side or on your right hand side. You're gonna love it. Yeah, check out the video. You are going to love it.